Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making a quick pineapple upside down cake. This is really easy to make. It makes it look like you have been cooking a whole lot longer than you have, and my guys love it. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what you need is a yellow cake mix. And I got this at Aldi's, and it calls for water, vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Guess I better get another egg. But to change this up, you're going to use a can of sliced pineapples, reserve the liquid, and use that in place of the water for the cake mix. A stick of butter, which you'll melt in a 9x13 pan. And brown sugar. Okay. I'm pouring the juice of the pineapples in, not all of it. I don't want it to be overpowering. But there's the pineapple juice and water. And the oil. And the eggs. And I'm going to mix those up until it's nice and fluffy. Okay, I have the butter all melted in the 9x13 pan. If you don't have a microwave to do this, you can melt the butter in a small saucepan, which is what I used to do many moons ago. And then you're going to take your brown sugar. And you're going to coat the bottom right on top of that melted butter. Guess you can tell by the background noise that the grandbaby's here. He loves his trains. Okay, once you have that covered, you're going to take your pineapples and just lay them on the bottom. And these have been completely drained. And then you're just going to add the cake mix to it. And you're going to put this in a 350 degree oven. This cake mix calls for 28 minutes for a 9x13. So, well, it says 23 to 28. So I'll be checking it in 23. But something tells me that it's going to have to go longer. This is one of those cakes that my guys really like. And unfortunately, I haven't figured out how to make it sugar-free. Okay, I just want to smooth that over to cover all of the pineapples. And it's going in the oven. And we'll be back when it's done. Okay, this actually took about 40 to 45 minutes to get done. Could be my oven, could be because of the pineapple, I don't know. But put a toothpick in, and it came out clean. So I'm going to let this rest just for a few minutes, maybe 5. And then I'm going to run a knife around here to loosen up the sides. And we'll finish this up. Okay, it's been sitting for a few minutes. So I'm going to put some parchment paper on top. And I'm going to invert a cookie sheet over top. I don't have one of those pans that has the lid because I prefer glass. But we're going to grab this very tightly and flip it. And I'm being extra careful because this is hot. Oops. Okay, last one of those, put back in place. Sorry about the arms in the way. And there it is, all ready for supper. And that is a quick pineapple upside down cake. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.